As the digital age rapidly advances, smartphones, tablets, and computers have become essential items in our daily lives. However, many seniors may find these technologies unfamiliar and challenging. Have you ever watched your children or grandchildren use a smartphone and wondered, how on earth do they do that? Or have you ever felt overwhelmed when trying to use online banking or medical services and didn't know where to start? You are not alone. Millions of seniors across the United States are facing the same challenges. And fortunately, there are numerous free educational programs available to help them. In fact, a survey found that approximately 42% of Americans aged 65 and older were unable to use the internet at home following the COVID-19 pandemic. However, government agencies, nonprofit organizations, and communities have joined forces to create various support programs to bridge this digital divide. The first place to start is your local senior center. Senior centers across the country partner with organizations like Senior Planet from AARP to offer basic IT education, including smartphone use, email, social media, and online banking. Most of these classes are free or available at a very low cost. In Dallas, Texas, the Senior Source offers the AARP Senior Planet program, which provides seniors with opportunities to learn digital skills, exercise, and engage in creative activities. Local libraries are also amazing resources. As of 2025, many libraries have transformed from places to borrow books to digital hubs. Most libraries not only provide free computers and Wi-Fi, but also offer digital literacy education programs. You can find workshops on a variety of topics, including online safety, software usage, and even coding. The Crystal Lake Public Library in Illinois runs a device drop-in program where seniors can bring in any electronic device and receive free assistance. If you prefer to learn from the comfort of your own home, online classes are an excellent option. Senior Planet offers live online classes covering a variety of topics, including financial management, wellness, fitness, computers, and technology. Best of all, you can form a real community with other lifelong learners your age. If you have any difficulty participating in a class, you can call the free Senior Planet hotline at 888-713-3495 for assistance. Nonprofit organizations also play an important role. Cyber Seniors runs a program where tech-savvy student volunteers provide free tech support and education to seniors. Educational nonprofits like the Oasis Institute offer a variety of courses for all skill levels, from computer basics to creating a blog with WordPress. Organizations like Human IT Repair donated electronic devices and provide them at low cost to low-income individuals and seniors. Of particular note is a program run by the National Council on Aging in partnership with AT&T. The program contracts with up to 50 senior centers and community organizations to provide at least 4 in-person digital literacy workshops for seniors. Participating organizations receive a $7,500 grant to purchase or upgrade equipment. These programs are primarily aimed at low-income individuals and offer Spanish language classes. Don't worry about equipment. Many programs offer free tablets or smartphones. The Senior Center in Northampton County, Pennsylvania, is running a program that lends out 180 Samsung Galaxy S5e tablets for 90 days. These tablets have built-in hotspots, so they can be used even if there is no Wi-Fi at home. These devices can be used to participate in health and wellness programs via Zoom or to make video calls with family members. Federal support is also available. Although the Affordable Connectivity Program ended in June 2024, the FCC's Lifeline program continues to provide communication cost discounts and device assistance to low-income households. Eligible individuals can receive up to $9.25 per month in discounts, and some providers offer free tablets or smartphones. Eligibility requirements include having an income at or below 135% of the federal poverty line, or participating in government assistance programs such as SNAP, Medicaid, or SSI. Don't miss out on college programs. Many states offer free or low-cost college education for seniors. the California State University system waives tuition for residents aged 60 and older, and Indiana's Ivy Tech Community College offers the Senior Scholars Program, allowing residents aged 60 and older to take credit courses for free. These programs include computer and technology-related courses. If you're not sure where to start, begin with the basics and work your way up. Start with making and receiving phone calls on your smartphone, then gradually move on to texting, taking photos, and searching the internet. Many educational programs use this step-by-step approach, allowing you to learn at your own pace. Online safety is also a very important topic. Unfortunately, online scams targeting seniors are on the rise. However, educational programs also teach you how to avoid these risks. You will learn how to identify suspicious emails, protect your personal information, and find trustworthy websites. Family support is also very helpful. Don't be shy about asking your children or grandchildren for help. Many studies have shown that digital feedback and intergenerational integration are effective in improving digital literacy among seniors. Learning and practicing together with your family can be a fun and meaningful experience. The health benefits are also significant. Recent studies have shown that digital literacy has a positive impact on seniors' health. Accessing health information online, using telehealth services, and staying connected with family and friends can improve overall well-being. In particular, social isolation has been found to be as harmful to health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day, and digital technology can play a crucial role in preventing such isolation. There are also many practical benefits. Online banking allows you to safely and conveniently handle financial transactions, and online shopping lets you purchase necessary items from the comfort of your home. You can schedule medical appointments online, receive prescriptions electronically, and even have video consultations with doctors. All of these services help maintain your independence and improve your quality of life. Finding programs in your community is easy. Start by contacting your local senior center, library, or senior services organization. In most areas, you can call 211 to get information about local social services and programs. If you can search online, try searching for senior technology education near me or digital literacy classes for seniors, or visit the websites of organizations like Senior Planet, OATS, or Cyber Seniors. Don't worry about costs. Most programs are free or very affordable. The necessary equipment is often provided free of charge or available for rent. Many programs are specifically designed for low-income individuals, allowing you to participate without financial burden. The learning environment is designed to meet your needs. Most programs offer small group classes so you can receive individual attention and support. Instructors understand the unique needs of seniors and teach slowly, repeat as needed, and are friendly. If you have vision or hearing impairments, educational methods that consider accessibility are available. There are many success stories. In New York City, 10,000 tablets were provided free of charge to seniors aged 60 and older, and many participants learned how to use them for video calls with family, online museum tours, and health management apps. A 68-year-old woman who had been disconnected from the digital world for several years after her computer broke down is now enjoying virtual tours of museums in London and the Louvre in Paris using the tablets she received through the program. What matters most is the courage to start. Many seniors give up, saying, "I'm too old" or "it's too difficult," but that's not true at all. Digital technology is just a tool, and you have learned countless new technologies throughout your life. This is no different. In fact, many programs offer curricula that start with introduction to computers and gradually progress to more advanced features. You can learn how to send emails, search the internet, use social media, shop online, and make video calls step by step. Each step is accompanied by sufficient practice time, and you can ask questions whenever you have them. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought many challenges, but it has also highlighted the importance of digital technology. During this time, many seniors learned how to use video calls for the first time, received medical services online, and stayed connected with family and friends digitally. These experiences have shown that digital technology is not just a convenience, but an essential tool for daily life. It's not too late to start. Every year, more seniors are joining the digital world, and technology is becoming increasingly user-friendly. Smartphone and tablet interfaces are becoming more intuitive, and voice recognition capabilities are improving, allowing those who have difficulty using touchscreens to operate devices using voice commands. Educational programs are also continuing to evolve. New technologies such as virtual reality and artificial intelligence are being introduced to provide more effective and engaging learning experiences. However, there is no need to worry. These advanced technologies are optional, and basic digital literacy is sufficient to help with everyday life. Finally, learning digital technology is more than just learning how to use new functions. The process of learning something new is beneficial for brain health, and meeting people with similar interests can help you form new social connections. Many programs have communities where participants continue to meet after classes to exchange information and help each other. Your experience and wisdom are valuable assets in the digital world. Share your life experiences in online communities, interact with younger generations, and gain new perspectives. Many seniors start blogs, take online courses, or even start new businesses. Start today. Call your local senior center or library to inquire about available programs, or visit the Senior Planet website to register for an online class. A small step can make a big difference in your life. The digital world is waiting for you. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching until the end. We will continue to bring you more useful information on how to maintain happiness in your golden years. Please subscribe and like our channel to show your support. Thank you.